Hello, what is your name?
My name is Sylvia Torimoro.
How old are you?
I'm 36 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids? Okay, so how old are they?
They're 10 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
6 years and 4 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
No.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
6 years.
Where's your employer living in?
In Homantin.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
800 square feet.
How many family members there?
4.
How many children?
2.
How old are they now?
4 years old and 6 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I woke up at around 6:30.
Mm-hmm.
I tidy up myself. I prepare my breakfast of my employer because the children is going to go to school early. And after the breakfast, I do my daily routine as cleaning, washing the clothes and hanging, and then taking care of the children.
Okay. Do you go market?
Yes, I go to market once a week.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
Around 5 o'clock.
So what time do you eat?
Dinner early.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
Around 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Okay, thank you so much.